Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix not being able to download apps because of payment verification required on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to download and install an app from the App Store, and after that this kind of interface is available so that they ask for verification. So there is written verification required, type continue and sign in to view billing information. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here we have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset. And after that, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general. And this time you have to simply click on software and update. And after that, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS on your device. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have provided the correct payment method and it is working properly. And if any kind of error is in the form of payment, so what you have to do, you have simply recheck your payment method. So if any kind of error is available, then you have to simply replace your payment method. So how you can do that? For this, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases. So here you have to simply click on view account. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage payments, and you have to simply try to figure out what is wrong with your payments. So if any kind of error is available related to payment, then you have to simply remove that payment method, and after that you have to simply provide a new payment method which works properly and do not have any error related to payments. So in this way you can simply solve that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.